Hi everyone. Today I want to discuss about the D and F block element objective. Nearly 45 question or one or two less maybe. So this is useful for IIT JEE mains and NEET level. In that the first question, for a catalyst, which condition is not essential? Generally, D block elements are good catalysts because of they shows variable oxidation state. So this is condition, and they have vacant d orbital. This is a condition, and they have free valency on the surface. It means large surface area on the surface. So these three are the condition. That's why D block elements are shows the good catalyst but not high ionization enthalpy. Therefore, this is a not a condition for catalyst. Then the next question is second, to which of the following series the transition element Z equal to 39 to Z equal to 48 belongs? So 3D series elements are generally Z equal to 21 to Z, this is Z1 is 21 is called scandium, and Z equal to 30, that is a zinc. Next 4D series are, that is 39 to 48. Then 5D series, that is lanthanum, this is yttrium, and this is cadmium. So now 5D series. In 5D series, what are the elements are there? Lanthanum, that is called 57 to mercury. Then 6D series, that is actinium 89 to atomic number 112. I think that may be Cn. So according to given this 39 to 48, that is called 4D series. Next, third question. KMNO4 on treatment with concentrated H2SO4 forms a compound X which decomposes explosively on heating, forming Y. The X and Y are respectively. Then the first one, Mn2O7 plus MnO2, Mn2O, Mn2O3, MnSO4, Mn2O3, Mn2O3, MnO2. So for this, the correct answer is this is. Now, according to this equation, this is KMNO4 react with the H2SO4, produce the Mn2O7, and this is MnO2. It means Mn2O7 decomposed to give MnO2. So according to the correct answer is the first one. Next, fourth one, which pair of ion is colorless? So generally, we know that D0 and D10 configurations are colorless because there is no DD transition. So we have to find out now which are the D0 and D10 configuration. Now, according to this, third option, reason, zinc atomic number is 30, 3D 10, 4s2. If these two electrons are lost, then we will get zinc plus 2, 3D 10 configuration. So D10 configuration is present. And next one is scandium atomic number 21, 3D 1, 4s2. Here 3 electron loss, meaning this 2 and this 1 loss. Therefore 3D 0 configuration. Therefore third option is the correct one. Like this you can check the remaining also. I am not doing that, but that is an explanation. So those are D1 to 9 configurations are colored compound. Now this ammonium dichromate is used in fireworks. The green colored powder is blown it. Air is. So what are the green color compounds? Generally keep in mind chromium plus 6 is generally converted into plus 3, meaning this chromium plus 3 compounds are generally green color compound. For this explanation, generally it is given in the p block element, that equation, so that we can copy now. This is the equation. Now ammonium dichromate on heating, it produces nitrogen and water plus Cr2O3, a green color compound. Therefore option is which one now? First one. Next, sixth question. This dichromate ion convert into chromate ion on in this X and Y medium. X and Y are respectively. For this, we know that CrO4 minus 2 in acidic medium, this is converted into Cr2O7 minus 2 plus water molecule. Another one is Cr2O7 minus 2 in basic medium, that is converted into CrO4 minus 2 plus H2O. So not balanced, but this is the equation. Then now according to this one, dichromate convert to chromate. Dichromate convert to chromate in which medium? Basic medium. Chromate convert into dichromate in reverse reaction, that is therefore in acidic medium. So this is called X, this is called Y. So that is the first option. Next, seventh question. The higher oxidation state of transition element are found to be the combination with A and B, which are generally higher oxidation state shown with the transition element is with fluorine and oxygen, because these are more electronegative elements. Therefore, they shows the higher oxidation state. So fluorine and oxygen, which option is there? That is the first one. So if you observe that, that is called titanium tetrafluoride, vanadium pentafluoride, chromium hexafluoride, but manganese shows MnF4 or MnO3F fluorides only, but in oxide it shows the Mn2O7, like this. So these are the element generally shows the higher oxidation state. So in that, which is there? Oxygen and fluorine. Next one, eighth question. Magnetic moment of x power n plus is root 24 bm. Hence the number of unpaired electron and value of n respectively for this atomic number. So these are the given here. So generally we know that to calculate the magnetic moment we have the formula, that is mu is equal to n into n plus 2 root Bohr magneton. So here 24 is there, means compulsory n is equal to 4, because if you put here 4, then 4 plus 2 root, then 4 plus 2 6, then 4 into 6, that is called root 24. So n equal to 4, 1 we got. So Among that, only second option only not having the 4. Therefore, that is not. Maybe 1, 3 and 4 are the answer. Then we have to check that what is the x power n. So they given x power n plus meaning n. What is the charge? Atomic number of 26 is, that is iron. It has configuration 3d6 4s2. When it has a 4 unpaired electron mean in plus 2 state. If it is lost, then we will get the Fe 26 plus 2 state 3d6. 3d6 means d orbitals are generally 5 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6. These are the 4 unpaired electron. Therefore, this is a plus 2. So we have that number of unpaired electron, and that this plus is which one? Third option, 4 and plus 2 state. So Fe plus 2 having the 3d6 configuration, 4 unpaired electron. So eighth question on the third. Ninth question. The product of oxidation of I minus with MnO4 minus in weak alkaline medium is. So these are the options. Keep in mind, generally I minus convert into I2 in acidic medium. I minus convert into IO3 minus in this weak alkaline medium with the KMnO4. So that reaction is, this is MnO4 minus, this is MnO4 minus in basic medium, this is OH minus I minus MnO2, and this is going to OH minus IO3 minus. So keep in mind, in this question many times asked in the competitive exam, in faintly basic medium or weak alkaline medium, they will use the word. In alkaline medium, this name is called iodate. Iodate will form. In acidic medium, iodine will form. Next one. 10th question. Which of the following oxide of chromium is amphoteric in nature? In general, lower oxidation state or oxidation number, it shows basic nature, moderate oxidation number shows amphoteric, higher oxidation state or oxidation number, it shows acidic in nature. Now we want amphoteric mean moderate oxidation state. According to this, we have chromium is plus 2 oxidation state, here plus 3 oxidation state, here plus 6 oxidation state, here we can show that is plus 6 oxidation state. So which is the moderate, meaning Cr2O3 is amphoteric. Next question is 11th. Compared to Cu2 plus having 3d9 configuration, the stability of Cu plus having 3d10 configuration aqueous solution is option more stable, equally stable, less stable. Stability depends upon the nature of copper salt. So according to this, they given here copper atomic number 29, 3d10, 4s1. Now Cu plus 2, therefore here 3d9, and another one is Cu plus 1, 3d10 configuration. So this is completely filled. That's why we are expecting this is more stable than the 3d9. but Cu plus 2 hydration energy, or we can say high hydration energy. Hydration energy meaning what is that? To a particular ion, solvent molecules surround like this. Then what happened? Energy release. So here energy release meaning this molecule with the lower energy, because energy out, then with molecule what happened? Lower energy, that is more stable. Therefore, what is the reason? Cu2 plus is a more stable than copper plus 2 and having the configuration stability Cu plus having, so more stable than the Cu plus 1. 12th question. CrO3 is used. CrO3 is a red orange in color. The nature of oxide is. First one acidic, second one basic, amphoteric, and neutral. Already in the previous 10th question I explained that higher the oxidation number, that is acidic. So according to this one, CrO3, this is now x plus 3 minus 2 is equal to 0, then x equal to plus 6, higher oxidation state, therefore acidic in nature. That is the first option. 13. Maximum spin magnetic momentum is shown by d5, d6, d7, d8. Generally, we know that d orbitals are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 unpaired electron meaning that is a maximum. That is 5.92 something, because n into n plus 2 root, that is a magnetic moment formula. Therefore, which shows the highest meaning D5. 14. Disproportionation can be shown by first option MnO4 2 minus, that is called manganate. Permanganate is MnO4 minus, but here manganate. Cu plus in aqueous solution, Cl2 in alkaline medium, and fourth one is all of this. First of all, you should know that a moderate oxidation state, one ion, anyone with the moderate oxidation state, then it convert into X with the one is lower oxidation state plus X with the higher oxidation state. Such element will shows the disproportionation reaction. So what is required for us to show disproportionation reaction? Moderate oxidation state required. In case very lower one taken, mean higher possible, lower not possible to convert. Similarly, higher is there, mean lower only possible, higher not possible. That's why compulsory moderate required. So that reactions are mentioned here. So first one, manganate is convert into MnO2, MnO4 minus. These are the oxidation state also mentioned here. And Cu plus is converted to Cu plus to Cu. So this is also lower one converted to higher and very lower also. Next, chlorine, 0 oxidation state to here minus 1 oxidation state, here plus 1 oxidation state. And if you take this one, here minus 1 and here plus 5. So we know that it shows the lower also, higher oxidation state also. Observe here minus 1 and plus 5. Therefore, which is the correct answer? All of these are correct answer. 15th question. Which of the following configurations of 3D series exhibit the largest number of oxidation state? Then we have this configuration. Then highest oxidation state, which one shows generally manganese, that is the 25, that is 3D5 and 4S2, like this. Which configuration is there? This is the answer now. Then 16. Which of the following pair of ion has the same value of spin only magnetic moment? Same meaning we'll try. First of all, copper. Now in previous question I given this is a 3d9. It means one unpaired electron and one unpaired is there. And Cu plus 2, it has, sorry, not unpaired, this is Cu plus 2 is a 3d9, one unpaired, this is a 10, this is 10, so 0. Therefore here not having the same spin only magnetic moment, so this is wrong answer. And cobalt plus 3, cobalt plus 3 meaning what is that? First of all, you should know that cobalt atomic number 27, then 3d7 and 4s2. It means here 2 loss and here 1 loss, means this is a 3d6. 3d6 means 4 unpaired. And similarly, iron atomic number 26, 3d6, 4s2. So plus 2 statement, this is loss, and this is Fe plus 2, 26, that is 3d6. Here also unpaired 4. Same number of unpaired is there, meaning that is, if you want to understand like this, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many unpaired electrons are there? 4. This is which one? Paired. Therefore, both are having same number of unpaired electron, mean the second one is the option. Next question is 17. Which of the following transition metal do not form amalgam with mercury? Generally, all these do not form the amalgam. Therefore, all of these are the answer. 18th question. Highest fluoride and oxide of manganese are respectively. So already in the previous somewhere I explained that generally D block element shows the higher oxidation state. So in that manganese it shows MnF4 and oxide is Mn2O7. Therefore, this is remembering based on this question. That is why this third option is correct. Which is not a property of interstitial compound. Generally, interstitial compound, one example I will write Fe.93O and like this. Vanadium, what do you call, hydride 1.52 like this. So these are not stoichiometric. They are generally harder than the pure metal and chemically inert also, having low melting point. That is not correct option. They are having high melting point. This is correct, but this is wrong. Therefore, this is a correct option because they give not a property. So, which halide of copper does not exist? Which halide does not exist? Meaning a CuI2 is not exist because due to larger size of iodine, there is not exist. Therefore, fourth option. 21 question. Which order is correct for oxidizing power? Higher the oxidation number, higher the oxidation power or oxidizing power. So according to this, first one having the +6 oxidation state and next one having the +1 oxidation state. Then here +5 and +7, +5, +6, +6, +7. But here greater symbol is there, here less than symbol is there, greater than is there, and less than is there. So higher the oxidation number, good oxidizing power, means this is the correct answer. So third option. Permanganate titration in presence of hydrochloric acid are not satisfactory because already we know that Cl minus in HCl and MnO4 minus. This is a good oxidizing agent, 1.52 or 51 electrode potential value, reduction potential value, chlorine value 1.36 volt. Therefore, higher electrode potential can oxidize to lower electrode potential. Therefore, Cl is converted to Cl2, it is oxidized and produce a yellow green color gas. Greenish yellow, you can call this greenish yellow color. Therefore, which is the correct answer? KMnO4 will oxidize to Cl minus to Cl2. That is called third option correct. Which of the following does not give chromyl chloride test? So these are generally ionic form. Then you will get here Na plus Cl minus, K plus Cl minus, NH4 plus Cl minus. Hg generally form a covalent compound, that's why not easily break down. Therefore, option is the fourth one, and do not give that Ag precipitate, AgCl precipitate. Sorry, we are chromyl. So when it form as a Cl minus, then only it gives a chromyl chloride test as a Cl minus ion, but it is already bonded with the mercury, that's why not possible. I thought that AgCl precipitate in general identification. This is not identification, this is a confirmation test. Next, which is correct match? Brass is a correct match already. Bronze also correct match. Stainless steel also correct match is there. So all of these are correct. So that is called fourth option. Generally keep in mind how to remember the trick, rank trick. This is brass. In that what is this? S is there. Mean stannous is absent. That is called copper plus zinc. Yes word is there, that's why stannous is absent. Bronze. In this Z is there, therefore Z is absent, meaning copper plus tin. Z means zinc is absent. Like this, remember. Next, 25. Which of the following 3D series metal has a positive value of E0 M plus 2 to M? So we know that scandium to zinc all are having negative value except that is copper. That copper electrode potential we know in the electrochemistry Cu plus 2 Cu is a 0.34 volt. Therefore, second option is the correct. Next, 26. Which compound does exist? So already I maybe told you that MnF4 possible and MnO3F possible. Mean first one exists, so first one does exist. In the form of dichromate, Cr plus 6 is oxidizing agent in acidic medium, but M molybdenum, this is 6 molybdenum 6 and in MO3 and tungsten 6 in WO3 are not, because so we know that chromium plus 6, molybdenum plus 6, tungsten plus 6. This is in tungsten O3, molybdenum O3. This is Cr2O7 minus 2. So this is oxidizing agent, but these two are not oxidizing agent. Reason: chromium, molybdenum, tungsten in the group higher oxidation state stability increase. Higher oxidation state stability increases. Therefore, due to stability, these two do not act as a good oxidizing agent. Therefore, we can select that Higher oxidation state of heavier member of group 16 transition metal are more stable. Therefore, this is called third option is correct. 28. Which of the following shows the plus 8 oxidation state? So, in total periodic table, highest oxidation state there is a plus 8, that is shows that osmium plus 8 and ruthenium plus 8. This is a 4D series element. This is a 5D series element. And which is the answer meaning ruthenium and osmium. 29. Which catalyst is used in contact process? This is remembering based. So V2O5 is the correct answer. In case nickel used as a catalyst in hydrogenation, iron used as a catalyst in the Haber process of ammonia preparation, AlCl3 and titanium chloride, not AlCl3 actually, Al alkyl groups, this anyone ethyl methyl like this, plus titanium tetrachloride, that is called Ziegler-Natta catalyst used in the polymerization. Therefore, now correct answer is second option. Which of the element have highest density? Generally, osmium and iridium has the highest. This is nearly 22.4 gram per centimeter cube. This 22.6 gram per centimeter cube. Nearly small difference will be present. So highest meaning according to given option is the osmium. 31. Which of the following actinide element does not found in nature? Which are not found in nature meaning lawrencium, because up to uranium these are all radioactive element but naturally abundant element, these are lawrencium. It means 93 onwards are generally synthetic one, not found in the nature. Next, 32. Which element does not show plus 4 oxidation state? Cerium can show the plus 4 oxidation state possible. Titanium can also show the plus 4 oxidation state. Platinum can show the plus 4 oxidation state. Europium generally shows the plus 2 oxidation state because of its electronic configuration. Europium electronic configuration 4F 7 5D0 6s2. If these two electron lost, then it shows the europium plus 2 with the 4f7 half fill more stable. That's why try to show the plus 2. Therefore, this is option. Next, 33. Which of the following is ion is a diamagnetic and colorless? So diamagnetic and colorless mean all these are 4f0 configuration, 5d0. This lutetium in 4f14, 5d0. So and 6s2 also. Sorry, 6s2 loss, that is converted to 0. And zinc is, we know that 3d10. So all are having which one maybe 0 mean before configuration is paid, and 4f14 mean all are paid, d10 also all are paid. So all these are answer, all are diamagnetic. In general electronic configuration of lanthanide elements is, what is that, 4f 1 to 14 and 5d 0 to 1 and 6s2. This is a lanthanide element electronic configuration. So we'll check now. This is 0 to 14 is a wrong, 0 to 14 is a wrong, 0 to 14 is a wrong. All are this wrong only. So none of this is a correct answer. Cerium can shows the oxidation state plus 4 because it resembles alkali metal. It has very low value of ionization enthalpy of its tendency to attain noble gas configuration of xenon, of its tendency to attain the 4f7 configuration. First of all, cerium atomic number 58. So xenon along with this 4f1 5d1 6s2. So when it is lost as this 4 electron, then we will get the noble gas configuration, that is cerium 58xe configuration, and in the plus 4 form. Therefore third option is the correct. Then 36. The highest oxidation state shown by actinide is. Highest oxidation state is generally plus 7. That shows that, what is it? Neptunium plus 7 shows, and plutonium plus 7 shows that is the highest. So which is the second option. 37. The electronic configuration of gadolinium. 64. This is a very important question for all competitive exam, many times asked. Therefore 64, gadolinium convert into 4F7, it means xenon compulsory is there here, and 5D16S2, like this. Which option is present? Meaning here first option only. 38. Which oxidation state is not shown by lanthanides? Lanthanides generally shows the plus 2 and plus 4, but plus 3 is a more stable oxidation state, that is common oxidation state. Other than this, any other is there, that is not shown by plus 6. So fourth option. Next, 39. Which of the following species act as a reducing agent? Already you maybe know that higher the oxidation number, good oxidizing agent. Lower the oxidation number, good reducing agent. So generally europium is a lower oxidation state, therefore good reducing agent. That is the third option. 40. Which of the following pairs have almost similar size? Like this question many times asked in all competitive exam. 4D series and 5D series atomic size are nearly same. In that we have zirconium, hafnium, niobium, tantalum, molybdenum, tungsten. Like this, these series elements are nearly same size. So anyway, according to option here, we can get niobium, tantalum is the, these are having nearly same size. Therefore second option is the correct. The next one, 41. An increase in both atomic and ionic radii with atomic number occur in any group of periodic table. In accordance of this, the ionic radii of titanium plus 4, zirconium plus 4 ions are, these are the atomic radii or ionic radii respectively. Hafnium is this much, 0.75, which is almost same as that of zirconium ion. This is due to, it means they given here titanium in plus 4, 0.68 angstrom, zirconium plus 4, this is 0.74 angstrom, hafnium, that is also plus 4, 0.75 angstrom. These are nearly equal, they mentioned in the question. Why these are nearly equal? Means due to lanthanide contraction. So lanthanide contraction, there is a second option. Next, 42. When lanthanide element is heated with the sulfur, then compound obtained is. Ln mean all lanthanide element. This is not the element. Together all 14 element symbol this is. It is in plus 3 oxidation state. Common oxidation state of lanthanide plus 3. Sulfur minus 2. Crisscross. Then what we will get? Ln2s3. That is, we have second option. 43. Formula of halide of lanthanide may be same thing, Ln plus 3 x minus crisscross, then you will get Ln x3. That is first option. 44. What is the composition of mish metal alloy? So this is remembering basis. So in mish metal, lanthanide metals are nearly 95% and iron is 5% and trace of other element also carbon, sulfur and some other elements also present. So therefore, this is the first option is the correct one. I hope all of you understood well with the every explanation I given. So in this anything you may find difficult, mean you can comment, and then we'll discuss what is the correct answer. Thank you.